This will be a video on how to download data from a GFG G450 or G460. So with this gas detector, I've already kind of turned it on, let it warm up. It already has some recorded data inside, but what I want to show you is the data logging menu. So if I hold down the middle button, okay, it takes me to the main menu. I scroll down to data logger and hit select. So I can see the data logger is only 1% full. The mode is averaging right now, but there are other modes like peak and like 3 different options actually. And the interval is set to 1 minute. So it's going to average the readings right now over 1 minute and record it. So it's important, if I wanted to go out and do some recording today, I could change those settings and then hit erase, and that would erase the data logger. And actually, and I won't do that now because I want to be able to download it. So I'll exit out of here, go back into Detect, and you can see I've got the regular charging station, but I've got a special download cable. It's got this, it comes out and goes to the computer and has a USB connector on it. So what I would do now is take the monitor, same as if I was going to charge it, but I put it in, clip this down, and then I'll go into the data logging software to download the readings.
Okay, so the software needed to download a gas detector is the G450 DDS software. I'm going to start that software. You can either get the software off of the GFG website, or when you buy the download cable, it comes on a small CD. So to connect, I need to find out which port the gas detector is on. So one of the easiest ways to do that is to go to Device Manager. And go down to COM ports. You'll see GFG USB interfaces on COM40. So I'll go back to port. Now there is other configuration items, and there's one important one here is the file directory. So these could be changed if you wanted to, but let's connect to the unit. So if I go to port and I tell it that the gas detector is on COM40, hit OK, go to device, get it to read the data logged information. So I've got that. I've got just a couple of minutes worth of data just to show you. So now I could save this. So save the file, and I could save it in whatever location I want to. Now the other option, I can look at a graph. I can look at a graph with the data below it, or back to the original view. Now the other thing I can do is when I go to save the file, if I'd rather work with Excel, I could save it as a text file, and I'll just save it here for now. That's fine. Save it there. So now what I'll do is go into Excel. Okay, and I want to find that where I just saved it. So it's under this, and it should be here. Oh, and it doesn't show it because it's looking for Excel file, and we saved it as a text file. So you need to change to all files. We'll see that. You hit open. Now this wizard comes up, and it's delimited, so it's separated by commas or tabs. The data starts down here at line 4, so I'm going to move it to line 4. Hit next, see if it looks pretty good there. And when I hit next, it'll import it, and so I've got my time and date, and then all my readings. You could add the headings above for each gas as well, and that can be saved. So that's a very quick overview of the software to be able to download data. Now, again, after you've done this, you've downloaded data, I would clear the data log before you go out and start recording again. So you have these separate sessions of whatever you want to record.